This 2022 Dutchmen Yukon 399 ML is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, skylight, oven, stovetop burner, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, water heater, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Yukon 399 ML is 13,939 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.